In modern physics, the double-slit experiment is a demonstration that light and matter can display characteristics of both classically defined waves and particles. Moreover, it displays fundamentally the probabilistic nature of quantum mechanical phenomena. Double-slit experiment and its variations show fundamental limitations of the ability of the observer to predict the experimental result. In this video, I have demonstrated with animation for the particles to remain probability wave, their path information must remain in absolute secrecy. If at any part of the universe, any detector, not necessarily with consciousness, tries to detect the actual path of the particles, particles are distinct, showing their particle nature, and do not display wave-like behavior. On the other hand, if no one detects the path, particles show their wave nature, forming interference pattern on the screen. Feynman called this as a central mystery of the quantum mechanics, which cannot be explained in any classical way. In Young's double-slit experiment, when a monochromatic wave is incident on the double slit, then secondary waves are formed, and when crest of one secondary wave falls on the crest of the other secondary wave, then a bright fringe is formed. On the other hand, if crest of one wave falls on the trough of the other wave, dark fringes are formed. On the other hand, if trough of one wave falls on the trough of the other, also there are bright fringes there. So this is the simple Young's double-slit experiment, which was found first in 1802. But if we reduce the intensity of the incident wave such that a single photon falls on the slits, what will happen? Sending electrons or photons one at a time, it appears as single particle on the screen, resulting single particle on the screen, showing the particle nature of the photon or electron. If we allow them to build up on the screen, they will form interference pattern on the screen as shown, exhibiting the wave nature of the incident electron or photon. Most interesting part is that as soon as a detector tries to detect the path of the electron or single photon, the interference pattern disappears. Which path electron or photon follows, detector detects it very nicely. It is either through slit 1 or slit 2, not through both the slits. So photon or a single electron, a single photon or a single electron passes through either of the slits, not through both the slits. But as soon as detector detects the path through which slit the electron or photon passes, the fringe pattern disappears. Only two dots of electron or photons are created in the detection screen. But as soon as the detector is removed, fringe pattern appears. As soon as the detector is removed, fringe pattern appears. Again, as it comes to detect the electron path, that is whether it is passes through slit 1 or slit 2, the fringe pattern disappears each time, every time. Consciousness is not needed for collapse of the wave. It is not about consciousness. It is about record made in the universe, anywhere in the universe, even if no one is looking. That is, electrons or photons should be informationally isolated to exhibit wave nature. This peculiar behavior, Feynman described it as the central mystery of the quantum mechanics. Many scientists tried to explain this: Copenhagen interpolation, path integral formulation, many worlds interpretation, de Broglie Bohm theory, but no one can explain what is going on actually in the wave particle duality.